Is Pooja Samant here? I would like to ask you, it's been almost 10 years of you in acting and in Bollywood, and how you look at your journey and being a brand ambassador for L'Oreal, representing in Cannes, it's a feather in your cap. How you look over all the things?
Well, considering that it's happened 10 years after, it definitely makes me feel like there's so much more to do and so much more to achieve, and that so much more can happen. Just when you think that, everything's going great, something even better happens. And I think that's what drives me, the fact that there's no end to it, that you can keep challenging yourself, you can keep exploring so many different things, and there's so much more to do and so much more to achieve, but it doesn't feel like it's been 10 years. I feel like, I look back at some of my work, and I don't feel like it's been that long. I feel like there's so much more to do and so much more to give, and yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Next question. Would you like to move that side, lady, please? On the left side. So we will come to you. There's a lady there. हम ज़रूर आपके पास आएंगे. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Hi, Deepika. I'm such a great fan, first of all.
Thank you.
And you look so amazing. You mentioned that beauty is not makeup. So I wanted to ask, what makes you look so glowy, so healthy, so fresh all the time? What is it?
It's that. Oh, where did it go? It's behind that.
Other than L'Oreal Paris, what is it? Something naturally that you do? Like you just enter and there's this aroma around you. It makes you look so fresh. What is it?
So have you got your notebook down? She's going to give all the points, huh?
Wait, did you say aroma or aura? I'm confused.
Both. Everything.
Wow.
It's just...
Oh, I have an aroma.
Yeah.
And aura.
And the aura.
The aroma is... One second.
Okay, let's come to aura.
Thank you. That's a big word. I don't know. I think it's taken me a long time to get here. I think it takes immense mental peace to be in this space, and that takes a lot of work. And I think it takes staying focused on the larger picture. That's what it is, I think.
And I also think it's your humility towards people and the warmth and affection you give. So you can add to that.
What have you had for breakfast today?
South Indian food, yeah. Of course. All right, next question, please. Hi, can we move the mic there, please? Hi.
Hi, Deepika. Since you mentioned the bloggers, I'm a blogger myself. This is Shayanti. And I wanted to know, do you believe in being a trendsetter, or do you still want to keep to your signature style, things that you love wearing, as far as colors are concerned?
You've known me long enough. What do you think?
I think you're lovely. I mean, everybody follows what you do, but what do you do with, how do you keep to, what you want to do and also balance it out with the trends?
I think all of us have a signature, like we keep saying, there's a signature style, or there's an inherent style, or there's a signature look that one has, or something that we're all very comfortable with. For example, maybe you like to just wear your hair down all the time, or maybe you like to wear kajal, so it's different for different people. So I have my signature go-to things as well that I like to do, like I like to put my hair up, I like to wear red lips, and different things influence that. It's probably, growing up, I'm sure you've had certain influences in your life. And then there's the experts that I'm fortunate enough to work with. I think they are the guys who sort of help me keep up with what is in trend, whether it's my clothes, whether it's my hair, whether it's my makeup. I don't know that. I don't claim to know that. Is it exciting to learn? Yes, of course it is. Whether it's via social media, or what you guys write, or or you read. So I'm always curious to learn, but at the same time, I don't claim to know that I know. And I'm okay being behind the curve. And then that's why I have an amazing team of people that I work with who help me find that balance.
So if something goes wrong, would you be affected in terms of a color which, you're not convinced wearing, or, something which people suggested you wear and you weren't comfortable doing that? Will it affect you at all?
No, not at all. Not at all. In fact, we have fun doing what we do. We're all in a room together, and we've never really pre-decided anything. We're really just going with the flow and what we're feeling on that day. And somebody has a hair suggestion, somebody has a makeup suggestion, somebody says you have to wear this, someone says, and eventually the look comes together. And like I said, sometimes it might work, sometimes it may not work. The idea is always to have fun. Don't forget that.
Like we are having fun today. All right, next question, please. Can we move to the gentleman? Can we move this side, please? We'll come back to you. Any questions on the left-hand side? The volunteers? Okay, ma'am there.
Hi, Deepika. On your right. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. I have to ask you this, L'Oreal has taken the world by storm. The other thing in cinema today that has taken India and the world by storm is Bahubali 2. I have to ask you this.
Kahan se kahan?
Right, okay. So you've also done a couple of regional films, but today we can see that regional films has literally taken over India, Bollywood and all of that. What are your thoughts on the fact that it's become the highest grosser of all times?
That the possibilities are endless and limitless. That's why I do a XXX, and that's why Priyanka does what she does. Because there's no limit to creativity. There's no limit to anything in life, actually. And that's exactly what it is. And, whether it's us as Indians representing India globally, or whether it is a Bahubali, which is a regional film, which we understand is a regional film that's breaking barriers and crossing boundaries from their region, and that's become such a huge success. That's exactly what it is, that the possibilities are endless.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last question. The lady here. There you go.
Over your center. Hi, Deepika. My question is to you. You always have a positive attitude towards life. What motivates you to be what you are?
Wow. What motivates me to be positive? Because there is no other way to be. There is no motivation in that sense. I mean, I think the motivation is to have, like I said earlier, the motivation is to have peace of mind. The motivation is to enjoy my work. The motivation is to do great work. My motivation is to let my parents know that I'm in a good space and that I'm happy. And I feel a lot of it comes from the way they've brought me up. That's just the way we are as a family. And that's how I've seen my father and my mother conduct themselves as well. And I guess that's what it is.
Thank you so much to all our friends from the media as well. That was the last question. Thank you, Deepika, and thank you, Rajit.